Hi and welcome to Samarth Academy. Today we will be doing the chapter Arithmetic Progression of Class 10 CBSE. What is arithmetic progression? If I tell you in a simple language, arithmetic progression is the set of numbers that differ by a common difference. Arithmetic progression is the set of numbers that differ by a common difference. Let us understand this by taking few examples. Consider the first example. Here 2, 5, 8, 11. The difference between first two numbers is 5 minus 2, it is 3. Next two numbers 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 11 minus 8 equal to 3. So I can see a common difference 3. Therefore, the given numbers form an arithmetic progression. If I consider this example, the common difference between these given numbers is 0. Therefore, it is an AP. Consider the next example. Here the common difference is 5. As I can see 10, 15, 20, 25, all the given numbers differ by a common difference 5. So it is an AP. So what is required to write an AP? The first term we should know and we should know the common difference. By adding the common difference continuously to the given number. For the first term, if we add the common difference, I'll get 10 plus 5, 15. Again by adding, it is 15 plus 5, 20 and so on. Or we can also say, if we know the first term, we continuously add the common difference. That is, for the second term, we are adding it 1 time. For the third term, we are adding it 2 times. For the fourth term, we are adding it 3 times and so on. So what are the numbers obtained? 10, 15, 20 and so on. So what is an AP? AP is a set of numbers that differ by a common difference. If we know the first term and we know the common difference, so we can write the as many terms of AP as asked. Let us start the exercise 5.1. The question says, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Question 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So what he is saying, if a person is traveling 1 kilometer, he has to pay rupees 15 and then it is rupees 8 for additional kilometer. So it becomes for the first kilometer 15. If a person is traveling 2 kilometers, he has to pay 15 plus 8. Then if he is traveling 3 kilometers, so 15 plus 2 into 8 and so on. These are the prices. 15, 23, 31 and so on. So we can see that there is the common difference 8. So the given terms form an AP. Question 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Let us consider V as the air present in the cylinder. Then 1/4 of the air is removed. So what is left? 3/4 of V will be left. Now 3/4 of V is left in the cylinder. So again 1/4 of this remaining is pumped by the vacuum pump. So what will be left? 3/4 of 3/4 of V, which is 9/16 of V. So what are our terms? The terms are V, 3/4 of V, 9/16 V and so on. Clearly there is no common difference. So this is not an AP. Question 3. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for first meter and it rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. A person wants to dig a well for 1 meter, has to pay 150. Then for subsequent meter it is 50 more. So it is 150 plus 50. 150 plus 2 into 50 and so on. So what are the terms here? 150, 200, 250 and so on. Therefore, this is an AP. Question 4. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest 8% per annum. So how much is deposited? Rupees 10,000 is deposited. This is principal, and the compound interest here is, rate of interest is 8%. So we know the formula for compound interest. A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where n is the number of year. Okay, so first when you are depositing, how much you have? 10,000. After 1 year, you will be having 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 1, which is nothing but 10,000. If I simplify this, 8 by 100 is 0.08. So 1.08 to the power 1. This is at the beginning. After 1 year. So if I write the amount present in the account, so I'll get 10,000. 10,000 into 1.08 to the power 1. 10,000 into 1.08 to the power 2, and so on. If I see this number, clearly the common difference is differing. They don't have a common difference, therefore not an AP. Next question. Four terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D is given. As I told, if you know the first term, then you continuously add the common difference to the first term. Okay, if suppose first term is A and the common difference is D, then the next term will be A plus D. Then D, after that D is again added, which becomes A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So here for the first question, the first term is 10. Common difference is again 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. So how many terms he is asking? He is asking for 4 terms. 40 and so on. Write the first 4 terms when the first term A and the common difference is given. So these are the answer. A is equal to minus 2, D is 0. So the AP is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Question 3, A equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. So what is our AP? 4. 4 plus minus 3. 4 plus 2 into minus 3. 4 plus 3 into minus 3 and so on. This becomes 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 3 again is minus 2, minus 5 and so on. So this is the AP. A is minus 1, D is equal to 12. Minus 1 plus 12 is 11. 11 plus 12 is 13. Sorry, 23. 23 plus 12 is 33, 35 and so on. A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. So first term minus 1.25. So D is minus 0.25, which becomes A plus D will become minus 1.5, minus 1.75, minus 2 and so on. So these are the APs whose first term and the common difference are given. Question 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. The first term, obviously when you see the term, you can understand what it is. To find the common difference, you have to subtract second term and first term. He is saying for the following APs, so you don't have to check for all the given terms. You just have to find the common difference and the first term. So here, let this be A and this is D. So for the first term is A, common difference is second term minus first term, that is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Here first term is minus 5. Common difference is second term minus first term, which is 1 minus 1 plus 5, which becomes 4. First term is 1 by 3. Common difference is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 3. Here the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 1.7 minus 0.6, which becomes 1.1. These are the first terms and these are the common difference of given APs. Question 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Here he is not saying they are APs. He is asking if the given terms are in AP. So what you have to do? You have to first check if they have the common difference and then say that it is AP and then write the first term, common difference and the next 3 terms. So the first question will be 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. First term is 2. First, let me see whether they have a common difference. So what you have to do? 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. So they don't have common difference. So not an AP. The given terms are 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So if I write it as mixed fraction, it will be more simple for me. So 2, 5 by 2 is 2, 1 by 2. 3, 7 by 2 is 3, 1 by 2 and so on. By converting them to mixed fractions, I can see the common difference between second term and first term is 1 by 2. Again here the difference is 1 by 2. Again here the difference is 1 by 2. Therefore, the given terms are in AP. Now he is asking to write 3 more terms. Those 3 more terms can be obtained by adding 1 by 2 continuously. So 3.5 plus half will become 4. 4 plus half is 4.5. 4.5 plus half is 5. Therefore, the terms are 4. 4 1 by 2 becomes 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Hence what are the next 3 terms? 4, 9 by 2 and 5 are the next 3 terms of the given AP. This is answer for question 2. Now question 3. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. First let's see whether they have a common difference. Minus 3.2 minus half. What's the difference? It is minus 2. Again here minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2 becomes minus 2. Again the difference is minus 2. So what we are doing? We are subtracting second term minus first term. We got minus 2. Third term minus second term, again minus 2. Fourth term minus third term, again minus 2. Therefore it is an AP. And how do we find the next 3 terms? We continuously add minus 2 to the given terms. So minus 7.5 minus 7.2 minus 2 will become minus 9.2. Again adding minus 2 minus 11.2 minus 13.2. These are the next 3 terms of the given AP. So if it is not an AP, you just stop. If it is an AP, then you have to find the next 3 terms. So question 4th. Minus 10 minus 6. So what is the difference? Minus 6 minus of minus 10 will become minus 6 plus 10, which is 4. The difference is 4. Again minus 2 minus of minus 6 is minus 2 plus 6. It is 4. For the last one, 2 minus of minus 2 is 2 plus 2. It is 4. The common difference is 4. Therefore, it is an AP. Therefore, it is an AP. And what are the next terms? You continuously add it 4 to the given terms. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So these are the next three terms of the given AP. Okay. So question 5th. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. If I see the question itself, I can see that root 2 is added every time. Therefore, it is an AP with common difference root 2. And how do I get the next three terms? By adding root 2. Let me write over here to make it simpler for you people. A is equal to 3. And how do we obtain D? D is second term minus the first term, which is root 2. And we can see that every term is having a common difference, that is root 2. Therefore, it is an AP. So, what are the next terms? The next terms are 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, which is 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Let's go to the sixth question. 0.2, 0.22 and so on. Find the difference between second term and first term, which is 0.2. Third term and second term, it is 0.02. I cannot see that the difference is the same. There is no common difference. Therefore, not an AP. Question 7th. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. So, find the common difference. Second term minus first term is minus 4. Third term minus second term is what? Minus 8 minus of minus 4, which is minus 8 plus 4. Answer is minus 4. Again here, fourth term minus third term, I'll get minus 4. The common difference is minus 4. Therefore, it is an AP. And for the next three terms, we add minus 4 continuously and get the terms. So, minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. Minus 16 minus 4 is minus 20 minus 24. So, these are the next three terms of the given AP. Question 8th. So, I have the same term minus half every time. In the beginning itself, while explaining, I gave you an example of 2, 2 and said it is a AP with common difference 0. So, here also, this is an AP with common difference 0. And how do we get 3 more terms? We'll just write the same number 3 times. 1, 3, 9, 27. This is not an AP because the difference between first two terms is 2 and 9 minus 3 is 6. 27 minus 9 is 18 and so on. So, it is not an AP because they don't have common difference. Question 10th. 2A minus A. The difference is A. 3A minus 2A, difference is A. 4A minus 3A, difference is A. Therefore, it is an AP. And what are the next three terms? We just add A to the given terms. So, 5A, 6A, 7A. These are the next three terms. A square, A cube, A power 4. Definitely not an AP because they don't have a common difference. So, what we will write? A square minus A is not equal to A cube minus A square. Therefore, not an AP. Okay, so question 12. We need to simplify a bit before answering this question. So, root 2, root 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but these two come out as 2 root 2. Okay, so the question, the root 18 is what? 3 into 3 into 2, which is nothing but 3 root 2. Root 32 is root 16 into 2, which is 4 root 2. When I simplify, it becomes more easier to understand. So, the common difference between the first two terms, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. 3 root 2 minus root 2 is again root 2. Here root 2. Therefore, they have a common difference. It's a AP. And how do we obtain next three terms? The next three terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. And always, the question asked, we have to always answer in the way the question is asked. So here, root 8, root 18, everything is under root. So what we will do, we will try to put this also under root. So 5, when it goes under root, it becomes 25 into 2, which is root 50. 6, when it goes under root, it becomes 36. 36 into 2, 72. 7 goes inside 49. 49 into 2 is how much? 98. So these are the next three terms of the given AP. Question 12. Root 3, root 6, root 9. These are, I cannot subtract root 6 minus root 3. These are not like surds, so we cannot subtract, not an AP. They don't have a common difference, so it's not an AP. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, definitely not an AP, but we'll still explain them how it is not an AP. So the given terms 1, 9, 25, 49 and so on. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 25 minus 9 equal to 16. So therefore no common difference, hence not an AP. Question 15. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, definitely not an AP. The same way you have to explain as you have done earlier. This completes exercise 5.1. Have a nice day. Bye.